A leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma today dismissed reports that he had a meeting with Trinamool Congress second in command in Kolkata. Briefing media person, Sangma, however, called for a course correction within the Congress. Sangma's reaction comes at a time when there are widespread speculations of a rift within the Meghalaya Congress after Vincent Pala took over as MPCC chief.
I have had the privilege of being associated with this grand old party and have been building the party in whatever humble way I can contribute along with the leaders of this great party. I continue to strive to ensure that this party is strengthened. If there are reasons for us to see that there are factors which are bound to weaken the party, we must, from my perspective, I see that I must be also responsible for pressing for any course correction. I have always maintained that any wrong need not be just left as, okay, it's wrong, so we need not make any attempt for a course correction. We must always take cognizance of any mistake, any wrongdoing, or anything which is considered as not inconsistent with the purpose that we want to achieve. And therefore, in the present context, I have always kept my cards close to my chest. I have shared, you have to bear the burden of allowing me to maintain that whatever is matters required to be resolved within the four walls of the party will be resolved within the four walls of the party.
Meanwhile, in a significant statement, Mukul Sangma said that he will press for course correction at an appropriate level within the four walls of the party. Reacting to his absence in the Congress legislature party meet after Vincent Pala became the state Congress president, Mukul Sangma said that he deliberately chose to remain inaccessible.
It was by choice that I wanted to remain inaccessible because I want to talk to leaders in Delhi whom I need to talk to. I don't want to talk to anybody else. The perception itself generates this whole narrative. Now, what is the narrative? Narrative obviously revolves around something which I have said that I will press for some course correction. I will press for course correction at an appropriate level within the four walls of our party. That is what I will do. So rather than having a verbal diarrhea, I think it's better for me to keep quiet and share with all of you when it is appropriate, and I will share the appropriate information, whatever is inconsistent with the expectation in our given democracy.
Well, reacting to Pala's appointment as the Meghalaya Congress president, Mukul Sangma said that everyone has their own way of doing things and that people would assess the things done.
He works and what is his... I think, see, every person has their different own way of doing things. Now, obviously, people know me, how I handle things, how I deal with issues. So also people know other politicians. I think people will know and they will know more of him. So that will not be something which I should be willing to elaborate. And then you have to ask him.
Yeah.